Hey there, I'm Kyle, and this is Sur, my Baja street dog, turned full-time adventure buddy. After separating from the Army in early 2023, I hit the road full-time in my 2023 Subaru Outback Wilderness, towing my 2022 Tax Outdoors Cricket, chasing epic views, unforgettable experiences, and the freedom of nomadic life. Now, welcome to Season 3 of That Guy Outdoors. From rugged trails to hidden gems, from campfires to unexpected detours, this is real, raw, and unscripted adventure. If you're all about life on the road, exploring the wild, and seeing where the next turn takes us, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this week's episode.
Well, good morning, guys. So, I wake up to the sound of a chainsaw. I'm wondering who in the heck is doing what. Let me show you. This is apparently what happened last night. We're over in a state park just outside of Nashville, and we had some storms last night. And there you go. The campsite right next to me, as I was joking with a friend last night. Yeah, everything will be all right, as long as I don't have a tree fall on the cricket. So I guess we're gonna go check out the car and make sure everything else is safe.
While I'm knocking out a little campsite maintenance, I figured I'd tell you a bit about where we're at. Cedars of Lebanon State Park here in Tennessee. This park gets its name from the dense red cedar forests that remind early settlers of the biblical Cedars of Lebanon. Kinda cool, right? It's tucked just outside of Nashville, making it a solid stopover if you're rolling through Middle Tennessee. With over 1,000 acres of forest, hiking trails, and some pretty unique limestone glades, it's a great mix of peaceful and rugged. The campground itself is clean, quiet, and super shaded, perfect for resting after long days on the road. Whether you're tenting it, towing a trailer, or just cleaning out your rig like me, it's a solid spot to post up.
What is it, sir? Is it snow? Is it snow?
Well, there it is, all covered in snow. Well, good morning, everybody. So, we are back in New York City. I didn't get much on the flight, packing up, leaving, coming out here. It's been a long few days. I probably look tired. I can see the bags under my eyes. But we're in New York City. We are getting ready to head to class right now, so let's go enjoy our walk down through the city. We'll see you guys when we get there. Cheers.
So good morning, everybody. You know how this works. The crossing, kind of walking this ferry. You gotta pop our way to the hotel, ranch, you look at it, you resort and here, so the time go at, and catch our ride. Let's see, guys, be careful. Cheers. TEREN Designs. Right here in the heart of Tennessee, TEREN isn't just another outdoor apparel company. It was founded by adventurers for adventurers, built from real backcountry experience and fine-tuned mile after mile. From the beaches of Baja to fire watch towers in the Pacific Northwest, I've put their gear through it all, and it's never let me down. The lightweight traveler pants, the daily driver shirts, the traveler tee, it's all designed to be breathable, versatile, and tough enough for life on the road. But let's talk about the jackets. Whether it's desert wind or mountain rain, their outerwear keeps me dry, warm, and ready for whatever's next. Rugged enough for the trail, stylish enough for town. Getting a behind-the-scenes look at their headquarters and meeting the crew just confirmed what I already knew. They put their heart into every stitch. So if you're building your kit for life on the road, the trail, or wherever your journey takes you, check out TEREN Designs. You won't regret it.
She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis. I'll never be your piece of blood.
Hey everyone, so here we are starting off on a new journey, new adventure without the cricket. Cricket's in storage right here, storing it for a few months, and gonna be taking the Subi, blasting down to the Keys, and gonna go on some adventures and starting to prep the Subaru for the Pan American Highway, Alaska to Argentina. Anyways, I'm gonna get going. Got a lot of stuff to finish up today and a little bit of a drive ahead of me. Catch you guys in a bit. Bye. We're on the road. We just left Jacksonville, Florida, and we are headed to Ocala, Florida for the night. Gonna catch up with some friends there. And tomorrow, we're going to Peace Love Vans. So we're gonna go check out a Florida event. We've been to all these wild, awesome West Coast events. We've been to all the events out west. We've been to all this other stuff. We're in Florida and there's van events. So we're gonna go check them out. We're gonna see what they're all about, see if it's the same style, see if it's a different vibe, and we're gonna enjoy it. We will be out on the West Coast at the end of July. That's right, Pina's Adventures did it again. They are doing Rigs and Reggae in Toledo, Oregon. Tickets are already on sale. I'll drop a link in the description. Gonna grab some tickets. Come on out, join us. It's gonna be a blast. Sur may not, but I'll be there because I might be flying out, picking up a van and using it for a couple weeks. But
If you join us at Rigs and Reggae, you might get the chance to meet Little Man. That's right. Christian's going to come on out and join us for Rigs and Reggae this year. I'm going to drive. I'm going to turn up some tunes. And we got about an hour and 15 minutes to go. And we're going to meet up with some friends down in Ocala. We'll see you guys when we get there. Cheers. Here, we're in the check-in line for Peace Love Vans. Got a couple friends of ours ahead of us, and we're just waiting for the check-in. We'll take you guys around once we get in there and show you guys around. See you there. Cheers.
Paul here is meeting many of the charged and the storyteller Vanlife group. Even though you sold your storyteller, you're still in the van for a little bit. Yes. We don't know what's next for him, but out of all the people here, Paul has been one of the most influential in getting people out there.
And that's a wrap on this adventure. Huge thanks for coming along for the ride. If you enjoyed the journey, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Got a favorite moment from today's episode? Let me know in the comments. And if you're out on the road and want to meet up along the journey, drop a comment. I'm always down to share a campfire and good conversation. Until next time, keep exploring, stay wild, and stay weird. As always, be kind, do good, and leave no trace. See you out there.